Hi, kindergarten class. So here's our math lesson for today. It's Tuesday and I can't be with you at all today. I'm having my surgery on my hand, but I'm still going to present this lesson to you. So I'm doing this the night before. All right, so we are on chapter 3, a brand new chapter. So as we do with every new chapter, we watch a little movie. So let's watch.
Come on, everyone. Welcome to the playground.
Kindergarten class, let's go to your book now on this page. This is page 171 and it's called Am I Ready? And that's what it says here at the top. All right, so for number 1, we are going to count the carrots and write the number. Well, I hope you know that the first one is the number 10. That's right, it is 10 because look, there's a carrot in every single box of this 10 frame, so then it must be 10. All right, so let's go ahead and get a writing tool. And I'm going to use a green one today. I'm going to make it a little thick here. And we are going to write the number 10. So remember, when you start writing, you start at the top. Make your 1 first. Okay, and then right next to that, we're going to make 0 the hero, if I can, with my mouse today. All right. Okay, number 2, it is going to ask us to count the ears of corn. Write the number. All right, so we know it's less than 10. So on the top, we have 5 up here. We always know this is 5. If you're not sure, you can still count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it is 5. So let's count on 6 and 7. Go ahead and write your number right there, 7. All right, for number 3, it says, count the objects and write the number. Well, look at that. There happens to be 3 on number 3. So go ahead and make your 3 on the line. And how many tomatoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so make your S and then don't wait. Go back up and close the gate. Okay, you are ready now to turn to the next page. Okay, this is called My Math Words, and we're going to do a little vocabulary review. So this is asking us to count the animals. So in this case, this is the animals on the playground. These are toys that the kids are playing with. So I'm going to go ahead, and you know how I like to mark them when I'm counting them, just to make sure that I'm counting each one. So I'm going to go ahead and take my marker out, make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to mark this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it says to write the number. All right, so number 2 says, draw more swings to show 4. Write the number. Okay, so we have 1 swing, so we need to make more swings so that we can count up to 4. So I'm going to start over here on this side, and I'm going to make, this will be number 2. This will be number 3. And I'm going to have to make it a little thin here because we got to fit 1 more swing on this swing set today. All right, not too bad. My mouse isn't given out yet. It's so hard to do this with my finger being the pen. Okay, so now we have 4 swings. So we're going to go ahead and write over here, down and over, and then go to the top and say down some more. That's the way to make your 4. All right, the next part of this is called your vocabulary cards. So you'll see these, and I'll show them to you. All right, so these are your vocabulary cards, and they show you how to cut these out. You can cut them out on these dotted lines. And on one side, you see the number represented by the word Like this one at the top says 18, and then 18 is a 1 and an 8. And these are not in order. So what they want you to do is you can cut these all out and then you can place them in order. So I'm going to go to the next side that shows you what's on the other side. Okay, so here is that card that said 18, and you can see that you can write the word 18 by tracing it and also tracing the number 18. And all of the numbers here can be cut out and then you can place them in order. They go all the way up to 20 because some of these are on this other side of the page here where you see there are 16, 13, 12, and 20. So they're all out of order. So you can go and ahead and cut those out if you'd like to and then place them all in order. This page is your foldable, and I know it doesn't really make sense. I don't know really why they call it a foldable. When I first saw these, I kept thinking, am I doing something wrong? No, all they're doing is scoring on the lines between each one of the numbers, and you don't really have to do that. All you need to do, though, is trace these numbers, so you can trace the missing numbers. So it goes 5, 6, and then there's a missing number right here, so that's where you get to trace your numbers, the ones that are missing, and then you trace the numbers that are there. Okay, so these go all the way up to the number 20. All right, well, that is your beginning lesson. And next time we meet, we're going to be on lesson number 1, which is going to talk about all these teenage numbers. And so these are all the numbers above 10. And I'm excited that we're finally here to talk about them. So anyway, boys and girls, I will see you the next time that we do our lesson, which should be next week after Thanksgiving. All right, take care, everybody. And I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving.